got in a roper washer that got hit by lightning, apparently, with a bad control board. Power in, but no LED light on the board, and you can see where it burned at the transformer. Good thing I saved these things. Oh yeah, let's. I'm alive. Yep. Uh-oh, it's an Amana. I don't think it'll work. Let's fix it. All right, so had power coming in here, and our LED light wasn't on. That transformer's hot spot. So. Kind of redneck, but that's how you turn a roper into an Amana. We're gonna have to make sure there's no codes in it. We'll just go ahead and clear them. Who cares what codes are in it? Usually I save these out of units that have bad bearings. Do a recalibrate, which is rinse. Oh, didn't like something. Nah, she's working. Ooh, might need a belt.